Look at both of these things work.
Brand new. Our babies. Our babies are working.
Your favorite car and my favorite car. Mine sucks.
I got the job done. I saw you.
Yeah, it gets the job done.
I saw all of you. Hey, Ben.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I saw 2 cars on the dock, so I'm interested.
You gonna make them get in trouble today or what?
I think they just talked themselves into it. I just overheard. Yeah. You can't bring cars like this and not back it up. They're both on the dock already.
What's up, boys? How y'all feeling today?
Risky.
Oh, I like it. Twin dragon or what?
No, just one tiger.
Okay.
Baby tiger. Not a full grown.
Get up here. Show us your cars real quick before we make them up.
All right, man.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Zach. This is Noah Nelson over here.
You don't have to introduce me, I'm Noah Nelson.
Are you so is your name, you always say first and last name?
You
Like,
have
say
to.
one of those?
You have to.
You have
That's
to.
his
It's
name.
Noah Nelson.
Yeah.
Isn't that a thing? If you have 2 first names, you're a good race car driver?
Yeah, you're pretty much destined for NASCAR.
Yeah, I just for left.
You're in the wrong sport,
I can
bro.
only drift to the left. So.
What are we working with?
All right. First up,
This right here is basically just an LS2. It's like a front yard build. It's nothing too special. So
stand in front of it like you're proud of it.
Front
if you guys
yard
look
build?
at it, you guys can like.
Front yard build is something you're more proud of than a backyard.
Yeah, it is.
It's a driveway. It's a driveway.
I've never heard of a front yard build. That's actually new to me. Yeah, I
Driveway
respect
is
it.
side of the street,
I
you know.
respect
So
it.
it's like that's nothing too crazy.
No, because
Driveway
I
build.
feel like people who actually build their cars in the front yard say backyard build because that's what everyone says.
Yeah,
But
I've
you're keeping it real.
You're right, I've never built a car in a
Me
backyard.
neither. Let's see this LS. I've never seen it.
Way to fall off the
Hanger
dock.
engine debut.
Or you used to have arrow catches or something.
I used to have them, but then you know that budget build
I
kind
feel-
of got.
I
So
feel-
you just screwed in some plates
Dude,
of metal?
It's custom. That's what I'm telling you.
It's not going through it. It's gonna work way
right
better.
Here too. If bumper doesn't hang.
See,
That's perfect.
He went in on gutting.
It
this.
weighs nothing.
This is steel hood.
Yeah.
It's light. It's
It's a
like
race
flimsy.
car.
Whoa.
Hey.
It's
Whoa.
All right, this is definitely going off the dock today. Leave my hood out of this, man.
All right, well, we got some Holly Gear 5 bits on here. It's the same stuff we got on the Ute, so we know what to expect.
What
Yeah.
mount kit is this?
Except this makes more
It's
power.
ISR. All ISR mount everything.
From Njuga Racing?
In Janku, yeah.
Nice, Njuga's the
I
shit.
didn't have any
Doesn't
problem with
it?
it. It went
Ah.
really, really good. So.
How much power does it make?
It's like 400.
Like
I'm
400.
telling you, 400 is a magic number.
Nah, 400's plenty, man.
So I can
just
see your
don't understand
knuckles.
how a V8 makes 400 and a Rotary makes 520. It's like 1.6 liters.
Science.
1.3. Sorry.
Science.
Yeah, rotaries are just life. That's what it is.
Boom chocolate.
Yes.
So LS2,
LS2.
ISR mount kit. I'm sure they made those headers
The
and
headers,
everything too.
yeah.
Nice.
Headers,
T56. What about chassis work? Did you do all this in your front, side, yard, driveway, sidewalk?
Sidewalk.
KL Fab, Kyle, he did the cage, and then all the rear tube ran and all that.
Man, that's a big old gusset.
How long have you had this car?
Had it for a year. I actually bought it as a daily like a year ago with like 40,000 miles on
Nice,
it.
that spiraled out of control.
Wait, and then I had it
Solid.
really quick. I had another track car in my old shop. We had to get rid of it. No room for it. So I sold that one and like I don't know how I transformed this into that, but it happens now. I don't have a daily.
The progression.
You don't have a
race car.
daily?
I have a race car. I have a Buick Rendezvous.
That motor,
It's a daily.
that motor right there gets 25 miles a gallon.
Yeah, with a 60, this is a 30.
Right.
Yeah, good thing this would attract no attention on the street at all. Like nothing.
Smog, car legal.
It looks very legal. Leave the
Especially in
sticker.
San Diego too.
Keep it chill. How long have you been drifting?
4 years now. Going on like 4 or 5 years.
What was your previous car? Because you said you only had this for a year, so.
The previous car was another Z.
All right.
I started off in a Z and then transformed to 240s, and then I didn't like that so much, so then I went back to Zs.
Cool. Well, it's
So-
nice to see this one a little bit more developed than the current trend of Zs, which is take the exhaust off and take the bumpers off and drift it.
And
So
I was there. You start
That's
somewhere
cool.
though.
Yo, BQs without exhaust are the worst thing.
Yeah.
Dude, it sounds
Terrible.
like
It's the grossest
Terrible.
car,
The
yeah.
worst
especially
noise.
when there's like 3 together of them. It just sounds like a beehive going crazy.
I've seen you rip this thing. I was at one of the top drifts and you were getting nasty. So I know you got
So
this thing down.
right now, what place are you in?
I'm sitting in 4th place right
Fourth
now.
place. Got a
Yeah.
couple rounds to go.
We got one more round to go.
One more round to
One
go.
more round. So.
All or nothing round.
Yeah.
I like
In
it.
fourth place.
All or nothing.
Just a couple points away.
Just pushing people off the track.
what's
Yeah.
going on back here? What's under this thing?
So-
Was this a stock deck lid that you molded something on, or
Yeah, it
what?
was actually just a stock, and it's a Rocket Bunny wing that molded on, and then Winter Jam got the best of me and sent me into the wall
It
a few
actually looks
times.
good molded on though.
Yeah, it's just the RCI fuel cell, just the basic fuel cell, air motive pumps and all that. Just a tube ran, some sketchy backyard, you know. electro.
Oh, that's backyard.
Oh, this is in the backyard.
That was backyard.
That shit is backyard wiring.
Everything else is front yard.
What size are these wheels? Are they from 3-piece? They look like a 3-piece wheel.
Yeah, they're GMR wheels. They're actually like VRs, like house wheels. They're 18 by 11.5, negative 43.
God damn.
Jesus.
9.5, negative 38, I believe.
Wow, that's crazy.
Part shot max angle in there.
All PBM front rear, everything.
I like that you get stuff that already looks pre-bent.
Have you two gone up in competition yet?
Really close
really.
2 times.
He lied to me because he saw the bracket
I
and he
thought
got
it
it
was.
wrong. And he was like, hey, we're going against each other. I was like, all right, sick, it'll be easy win, you know?
He's a better driver.
He's been
I've
driving.
been driving a lot. He's actually
Come on,
I was
man.
waiting for some shit.
How long have you been driving?
A year and a half.
Let's go look at your year and a half. Is this your first drift car?
Yeah.
That's your first.
real car.
How did you get this thing? 'Cause
That's a Falcon FD, right?
Yeah, this car I
Oh,
bought.
no shit.
I bought from Falcon. Like you can still see the blue in here. I still
Oh,
actually
yes.
have old 2005 tech stickers from Formula D
I'm
on
just
the
gonna
cage.
rub this for good luck. 'Cause I'm about to build an FD, and I know Falcon knows their shit. So
Yeah, so I wanted to get into drifting, and like the whole goal from day one was to do competitive drifting. That was like my idea, and I knew that buying a car would save me a lot of money, especially if I wanted a car like this. And so I got this car for very, very cheap. But
Was it just a roller?
What?
It was just a
No,
roller?
it ran and drove, but
no shit.
if I tried to drift it, the motor would have blew up for sure. Like the ECU and stuff. Rotaries are very touchy.
And
So
the technology has gone a long way
Exactly.
since
Yeah, with, like,
this car was
safeties.
running actively and all that stuff.
yeah, so the car was built in 2005, I believe, and I pretty much changed. That broke off at an event. But yeah,
let's pop this thing.
yeah, everything got changed on it pretty much. As in, like the motor is still the same motor from them, but I changed the turbo. That's messed up pretty bad. Yeah.
Oh boy, that's
Yeah.
hanging
Yeah.
on for dear
You
life.
lose one of those, you're gonna see that in the sky for
Definitely.
sure.
Wow, OG
You'll be
Wiggins
all right.
clamps.
You'll be all right.
Yeah.
These are dope.
They're really nice.
This was way before like Vibrant came out with these, you know.
This is real race car shit.
yeah,
Wiggins-
Dang, you
Wiggins
even got
always
a you even got a brace for
The reason for that is because I have stock motor mounts still. And I just never. I have upgraded motor mounts. I just never put them on. But it has like a Garrett GTX 3582R turbo.
Sick. Same turbo runner.
Yeah, and then wastegate like right off the turbo. It just I wanted the wastegate out the hood, and that was
Yeah.
the best place to put it.
Yeah.
I put Wisefab on the car.
Oh yeah.
It's not developed, I guess you could say, as in like not a lot of people have drove on it. So I'm still trying to figure out the like perfect suspension settings for it, like Ackerman and toe and stuff like
I
that.
learned from Chelsea that you really have to figure out
Yeah.
the right setup, otherwise it's gonna be
It binds. Like currently, it still binds when I get to full lock.
I think he's the Wi-Fi daddy, so you should hit him up.
Yeah, definitely.
Can I ask a dumb question because I don't know anything about FDs?
Yep.
Do you just adjust camber from the bottom? Because there's no adjustment up top.
Yeah, no
so
camber.
Is it just
So when you just camber,
is it just the upper
it's-
A arms that adjust
Yeah,
camber?
upper, and then you have to like push your lowers out. It's just a
Oh,
big
okay.
deal. It really sucks. It's not anything like fast and quick.
How much power you say you make?
520 at 24 pounds of boost, and it has a very, very conservative street port on it, like just a street port.
What fuel?
E85.
Nice. I can't wait to hear this thing really.
What else? Anything else special about this thing besides
Inside the car,
heritage?
you can see that transmission tunnel looks kind of gnarly in there.
that is not. This is not going to be a normal stock transmission.
No, that's a 4-speed MVE dog box, and currently I've had some problems with it, and so I actually just got sponsored by G-Force. So
Yeah.
I have that trans, the G-Force GSR, and I'll be putting that in the next like couple weeks or so. But yeah, it has this 4-speed dog box, aim
sell this one?
aim dash. I am selling that. I was thinking the full setup, like with like mounts and everything, for like $3,500.
What about this?
And it has a spare third gear for it too.
Vin, what kind of deal are we working on?
Yeah, camera. You gotta talk to my hustler right here.
And then yeah, like Sparko seats, like a lot of the stuff in the interior is from pretty much how I got the car. It's still really basic. It needs a new cage for sure, but this chassis has been beat up so bad. Before I do a cage, I'd probably end up getting a new FD shell and just cage it.
It passed tech, I'd just leave it.
Yeah,
You're
it
all
passed
right.
What rear diff is in this thing?
Rear
Got
diff,
change or-
yeah, country girl.
Country girl.
They surprised me with that in my trailer. I showed up to an event and they're like,
He
"Did you see it?"
He looked at it.
I poured fuel in it like
30
5 times.
and didn't even notice. Somebody had to point it out to him before he even noticed it.
Yeah.
I don't know how you didn't see that.
And then the rear end is just a stock diff, but it's a 2-way, so it's like stock casing, but it has a 2-way in it, and then like upgraded axles. ATL fuel cell with the Radium Engineering like drop-in FCST setup, so it has 2 pumps in the surge tank and 1 lift pump. The exhaust is on the floor.
On the
if you
floor.
can
That's
tell.
what I was looking at.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
the reason it's on the floor is because I have, when you have the
Good
stock
Lord.
FDs have they have like a brace
That
that goes from the
is
trans
no
to the
clear.
diff.
Yep.
And so I have a dog box in my car, so it wouldn't work anymore. So we just made a like a custom steel brace in the back, and with that the exhaust has to sit super low because I didn't want to cut material out and have it break. And so I did it out of steel and just was like, all right, I'm slamming the exhaust on the floor.
Yeah.
It falls off, whatever.
Dude, this rear setup is crazy. It's rad.
This is all from Falcon 2, or you
No, this
you
is what
changed this?
I did this to the
Okay.
car, yeah. Or I didn't personally do it, but I had it done to the car.
Yeah,
It looks rad.
So how long have you been drifting overall?
Overall, a year and a half.
Damn.
Yeah, a year and a half. And
That's a lot of car for a year and a half, man.
Last year was my first year, and it was really difficult. The whole year, the car was driving me, like I guess you could say, and just trying to figure it out. And then
It's a lot of car, though.
yeah, and then
a lot of car.
and then all of a sudden, at the beginning of the year, I got really comfortable and just started I like settled in the car, and I like kind of grew to the car, and now I feel like personally like I can drive the car.
Yeah,
It's not like
that's
too
good.
much to handle anymore.
I mean, you threw yourself on the gauntlet, so
Yeah.
you had to figure it out.
I like that.
Yeah.
So what'd you guys come here to do today?
He said,
No.
He said they were going to do tandem man line.
No, I might do it, but he's gonna back out.
No,
What? No. There's no
I
backing
didn't say I
out.
was gonna back
If you
out.
back out, that transmission deal goes down to $1,500.
See, there it is.
We're taking it out right now. Yeah. So you guys want to go do some warm-ups real quick?
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
1 by 1 warm-ups?
All right, yeah, that's fair.
Go ahead and give this boy a good solid 9.35. He's actually getting extra bonus points for the Coors Bank beer hat.
I like having 2 completely opposite spectrums.
Yeah.
This is drifting.
So are they going to do the first ever tandem man line
Yeah, I think so. I think they're gonna feel it out themselves
individually?
individually. He's fired up.
He doesn't look fired up at all.
He's not fired up.
Looks like he needs to get scumbag real hard.
He's got some luck.
That thing is a rocket.
It's really fast.
I think it's fast.
Your boy's fired up.
That was a pretty good warm-up.
God. I have permanent damage.
All right, you guys want to count how long it takes for the cops to get here?
You hear that?
Hurt is orchestrating something. I have no idea, and it's gonna look kind of dangerous. stuck.
Like us.
Ah!
Like us. If you
He's gonna go for it. You would got it.
You gotta go for it.
What's it like?
You just gotta send it. You can't really see anything, but like if you just send it, like
Should
you
we,
could
should
be
we
good.
put up the cone for him?
Yeah. You break it in for sure.
Doing something. Top of the pan's all wet.
Dent it. Look at the front of my hand.
Oh! Sway bar saved it. Hold up! Back up! Back up! Hey! Nice! First try! Perfect!
I need a break for a second.
Yeah, for sure!
That was
for sure.
sick. Nice.
Good! Woo! That was good first attempt, man. Took the cone down
Perfect.
with him. Came back with the cone.
Perfect.
Do not resuscitate.
I had my fucking earplug out back. God damn it. Oh. God. Darn sevens. I'm done with them. Let's make these boys rapid. As loud as you can. Don't play.
That's a wrap!